10. Genius car gadgets on Amazon that will make your life easier. Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. If you love making your driving experience smoother, safer, and more fun, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 10 genius car gadgets on Amazon that will totally upgrade your ride. From high-tech safety tools to convenient must-haves, these gadgets will make your life easier on the road. Stick around because you won't want to miss number 7. It's a game changer. Let's get started. Driving can be stressful, but the right gadgets can make your experience safer, more convenient, and even more enjoyable. With so many innovative car accessories available on Amazon, you can upgrade your vehicle with smart technology, organizational tools, and emergency essentials. In this video, we'll explore 10 genius car gadgets that can help you stay organized, enhance safety, and improve your overall driving experience. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these gadgets are game changers. Driving can be a hassle, but with the right gadgets, it can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. Amazon is packed with innovative car accessories that make commuting, road trips, and everyday travel more convenient. Whether you want to enhance safety, improve comfort, or add functionality, these genius car gadgets are must-haves. Here are 10 of the best car gadgets you can find on Amazon that will transform your driving experience. 1. Smart Dash. Dash cams have become essential for modern drivers. A high-quality smart dash cam records everything on the road, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents. Some advanced models even offer AI-driven driver assistance, voice control, and night vision. Brands like Vantrue and Garmin provide top-rated options with crisp video quality, ensuring safety and security on the road. 2. Wireless car charger and phone mount. A wireless car charger with an automatic clamping phone mount ensures that your phone stays charged and within reach. These mounts securely hold your phone in place while enabling hands-free navigation and calls. Look for models with fast charging capabilities and strong suction or vent clips for stable placement. 3. Car heads-up display, HUD. Heads-up displays, HUDs, project important driving information, such as speed and navigation, onto the windshield, reducing the need to glance at your dashboard. This futuristic gadget improves safety by keeping your eyes on the road while providing real-time data. 4. Bluetooth tire. Pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Maintaining the right tire pressure is critical for safety and fuel efficiency. A Bluetooth TPMS connects to an app on your phone and provides real-time alerts for low pressure, overheating, or slow leaks. Investing in a TPMS helps prevent blowouts and extends tire life. 5. Car jump starter and power bank. A portable car jump starter is a lifesaver in emergencies. Many models also function as power banks, allowing you to charge devices while on the go. Compact and easy to use, a jump starter eliminates the need for jumper cables and another vehicle, making it an essential tool for road trips and unexpected breakdowns. 6. Car air purifier and ionizer. A car air purifier removes dust, pollen, smoke, and odors, creating a fresher and healthier cabin environment. Some models use ionization technology to eliminate airborne bacteria and allergens, making them ideal for those with allergies or respiratory issues. 7. Smart key finder. Ever misplaced your car keys? A smart key finder uses Bluetooth tracking to locate lost keys within seconds. Simply connect it to your smartphone, and you can make the tracker beep or use GPS to find its last known location. This gadget saves time and reduces stress when you're in a hurry. 8. Mini vacuum cleaner. Keeping your car interior clean is easy with a portable mini vacuum cleaner. These powerful, compact vacuums come with multiple attachments to clean tight spaces, carpets, and upholstery. Cordless models with rechargeable batteries offer extra convenience. 9. Seat gap. Filler and organizer. Dropping small items between car seats can be frustrating. A seat gap filler prevents keys, coins, and phones from slipping into hard-to-reach areas. Some models even include extra storage compartments, cup holders, or USB charging ports for added functionality. 10. Car LED interior lights. Customize your car's ambiance with LED interior lights. These lights come with color-changing options, remote controls, and music syncing features to enhance your driving experience. Simple to install and energy efficient, they add a modern touch to any vehicle. These 10 genius car gadgets on Amazon offer convenience, safety, and efficiency for any driver. Whether you're looking for high-tech enhancements or practical accessories, these gadgets can improve your driving experience and make every trip more enjoyable. Explore these products on Amazon and upgrade your car today. And there you have it, 10 must-have car gadgets that can make your life so much easier. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome car tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out the links in the description to grab these gadgets for yourself. Thanks for watching and safe travels. And that's a wrap on 10 genius car gadgets that can transform your driving experience. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.